Welcome to Wine Time with Ciscoe. I am going to show you my favorite plant. So come on, let's go take a look. So if I'm going to do a container for a shady location, I go to the houseplant section of the nursery and look at this beauty I found there. This is Dracaena Sun Ray. Now, why did I pick Dracaena Sun Ray? First of all, look at that great color. It really is like a sun ray in your container. But I also love this spiky, upright foliage. That the form is just wonderful in this container. And then match that with some great Coleus, some great Pelargoniums. Oh la la. But there's something else about this Dracaena that's special. It can take really dark conditions. So out here in our patio that's covered with wisteria, very shady, it just looks fantastic. And if I do say so myself, this color combination in this container is the work of a genius. People come and they say, that's the best container in your whole garden, even better than any of my wife's. Now, there's one other reason you want to use Dracaena Sun Ray as a centerpiece in your container. At the end of summer, you could dig it up, pot it up, and you have an excuse for another house plant because this guy cannot live outside in wintertime. Then in spring, you could take it back out and make it your centerpiece again. You got a whole nother summer of beauty out of that plant. No doubt about it, Dracaena Sun Ray, my favorite plant.